everybody, it's Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. My garden is exploding now with Carolina Reaper peppers, and these babies are super hot. They can reach over 2 million Scoville heat units, so I say let's make some hot sauce, right? But first, let's do this! Your punishment must be more severe. Guys, if you're working with SUPERhots in the house, it's a really good idea to open up the windows because the fumes can really get you and make it hard to breathe. These actually do help, I'm not kidding. And also make sure that you wear gloves because the oils can get on your skin and cause a burning sensation, so be safe. Also, if you do strain your hot sauce, save the leftover pulp because you can dehydrate this and it makes a really awesome SUPERhot seasoning.